This is a hugely interesting part of the brain to me because it is designed to kick into gear automatically to protect us from danger. Visualize this scenario with me. It's whatever busy town you're in, whatever busy town you live in. Friday night, you go out to dinner, your favorite restaurant on a busy street. You had to park far away from the restaurant. It's dark when you're having such a good time. You stay until closing. As you're walking out the door, the manager locks up the door behind you, right? And you say goodbye to your BFF, hug goodbye or whatever. They go walking out that way to get to their car. You're walking this way. As you're walking this way, your brain sees out of the corner of its eye a figure walking towards it. Now here's the kicker. This portion of the brain works 80,000 times faster. 80,000 times faster than your thinking brain does. So you don't even have the time to stop and think what just happened. Your amygdala, in that second, kicks into gear. It sucks all of the available oxygen, micronutrition, and glucose down to it. So it shuts this down. It shuts down the prefrontal cortex. So this is your higher thinking. Shuts that down. Because right now, its design is to save your life. And it has to get you from point A of danger to point B of safety. So you don't need to think. All you need to do is move. And you need to move really fast. So it takes that oxygen, or that available glucose and energy. It also shuts down to almost a slow crawl, your immune system and your digestive system. Because in this moment, you're gonna die in 5 minutes. You don't need digested food. You don't need a bunch of white blood cells. It doesn't matter. All this part of the brain, it's not a thinking portion of the brain, it's an action portion of the brain. It just moves. So it takes all that energy, shuts down the non-essential life-supporting systems, reroutes all that energy, flushes the body with glucocorticoids, which is epinephrine or norepinephrine, cortisol, all these different things to open up the airways in your lungs, to expand the capillaries in your heart, to move more strength and energy to your muscles so you can move as fast as you possibly can to get from that point A of danger to point B of safety. Now here's the kicker. It does this whether it's real or perceived danger, because in that same scenario, you could have gotten into the point B of safety, walked into a public spot, gone, whew, what was all that about? And then all of a sudden behind you, you start to think, because your brain's getting its oxygen back to the thinking portion, walking towards you now is the manager to the restaurant to hand you your cell phone because you left it on the table. Was that literally a life-threatening situation? No. Did your brain know that? No. It just did it. Ladies and gents, your brain does this with any stress that you feel in your life. Not literally a life-threatening stress. It will do this with anything. Now, if you grew up in a traumatic situation, if you had any major trauma happen to you in your life, or even minor trauma, your brain has been doing this over and over and over again for the majority of your life. Constantly shutting down your immune system, your digestive system. Do you have digestive issues? Could be from this. Do you have chronic illnesses? Could be from this.